Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can do task automation using Windows Bash script. So as per today's tutorial, I set it up topics this way. Task automation using Bash script. First we will create a project folder, then we'll create image folder for images, create folder for style, then within style folder we'll create a file CSS file. Thereafter we need to create a HTML file within the main project folder. This is one of tasks which we can do for web development. So first we will do manually. Thereafter I will show you how to do that automation task using Bash script. So here is the desktop. In the desktop, right click, then click new, then folder. First we need to create a main project folder. Let's say my project folder name is test project. Once main test project folder is created, open that folder, then create another folder, right click, new folder, which is called images. Then create another folder, right click, new folder, style. Now we need to create a index.html file. In order to create index.html file, right click within the folder, then new, you need to click text document. Text document, first type index.html, you need to delete .txt. Thereafter click outside, you need to get a pop-up for changing extension, then click yes. So now we need to navigate style folder. Thereafter we need to create CSS file. Right click, new text document. File name is style.css. You need to delete .txt. Also click outside. You will get a pop-up message for changing extension. Then click yes. So whatever we did manually, create a test project folder. Within that folder, we created images style folder, also index.html file, and within style folder, we created style.css file. All we did manually. Now we need to create all of those tasks using Windows Bash script, which is called task automation. So close this one. First, we need to create a bash file in the desktop. So anywhere, any location you can create. So right click in the desktop, new, click text document. In the text document, put the file name task automation dot bat. Bash file extension is bat. Similar way, you need to delete .txt. Then click outside. You will get a pop-up message for extension changing. Click yes. This is your bash file created. Now we need to write our script. So right click on that bash file, click edit. So here you need to write your script. First thing, echo of, then first thing we need to navigate where we want to create our project folder and all other thing. We need to do that thing in the desktop. So you need a figure it out the desktop location. Right click any folder in the desktop, then properties. Here is your desktop location. Right click, copy. So first command is cd. That means we are navigating this location. Thereafter we need create main folder. Main folder, creating a folder, command is mkdir. Then we need to create a folder. Let's say folder name is web dev. That means web development. Thereafter we need to navigate on that folder. cd web dev. We are in web dev folder. So we need to create another two folder, which is mkdir images 1. Thereafter we need to create another folder, mkdir style folder. Thereafter we need to create index.html file. Copy, null is the command, file name is index.html. Then we need to navigate style folder, cd style. Within the style folder, we need to create another file which is CSS file. So command is copy now style.css. That's all our commands. So first command is where we need to create our folder, that location we need to navigate. Command is cd in that location. Thereafter we need to create main folder, web dev. It might vary, whatever you need, you can put your name on that way. Thereafter we need to again navigate on that folder. Thereafter we need to create two folder images style. Then we need to create index.html file. Then again we need to navigate style folder. We need a CSS file to be created over here. So that's all our bash scripting command. Now you need to save that. Save, then close this file. Now double click on the bash file. Once you will double click, within a second it will create your all the project folder. So double click on that CSS file. You see web dev folder is created. Open that web dev folder. You see images folder created, style folder created. Within style there is a style.css file, index.html file. It is created. That's all our today's tutorial. All the folder file created within a click. That means in this way you can do any task automation using Windows Bash script that will save your time. So task automation, you can do many different purpose, web development, software testing, and also many different purpose too. So I believe those who are new in task automation using Windows Bash script, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.